Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. I hope you all are doing great. And it's been a long time though I'm trying to do some recordings, but I'm not getting time in the mid of the month. And it's every time that I'm coming up with delayed predictions. I know. Next time onwards, I'll try to do it before the beginning of the month. So let's start with Aries predictions for the month of August 2020. So Aries, here we have a wonderful card now. The first card is Ace of Wands, and which says that there is going to be a new beginning, mostly in your career. Ace of Wands represent mostly about our career, our professional life. So what I am seeing is, foreseeing is, there will be a beginning of a new career or change in the direction, or kind of promotion also. It is like getting a new project again if you are into a business, an enhancement in the business again. So the what I'm seeing is they more new activity is going to come up in your profession, and that's a good thing again. And actually the second card, which is Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so this Eight of Pentacles followed by Ace of Wands is actually a very wonderful combination when it comes to career, when it comes to your professional life, right? So what I'm seeing here is no Ace of this Eight of Pentacles again represent, yeah, so this is a time that you will be constantly working on some project, enhancing your skills, bringing some new things, newness into your work life again. And you're constantly struggling. It's like you're about to reach to your goal. You are totally just almost ready to move forward, and you are putting all your efforts, you're giving all your best to reach to your goal, to achieve something. And this is the time it says that yes, this is no, this month is going to help you that way, to enhance your skills, to make a broader perspective. Actually, if you want to improve your business also, this year is the right time that directs you to plan for growth of your business, or look for new opportunities in your career, in your job again. So here is the time which is bringing that. So both Ace of Wands and Eight of Pentacles, both first and second cards, are actually favorable when it comes to our Aries professional life. And moreover, Aries are, they are very fiery energy, and they bring lot of enthusiasm when it comes to work, isn't it? And even in relationships also. But yeah, I have seen Aries, I have few friends, Aries friends, where I have noticed them that they bring lot of energy to work. So and this is and when it is, this card is here, it's like you're doubling your energy. So of course results are going to be really great, Aries, for you. And the third card also says again on the same front. Actually, if we see, it's a King of Swords, which talks about your logical behavior. And this king says that you are going to behave logical in your relationship, and in your career front also, in your professional life also. And it says that it's trying to bring balance in your work life, and personal life as well. King of Swords mostly, it won't just carry it away with the emotions. It tries to maintain that balance within himself. So that kind of behavior you will be developing within you. Okay, so this King of Swords is giving you that energy to maintain that balance. And though you are being into, as we have seen our other cards, where they are saying new opportunities coming into the career life again, or even there may be chances of you meeting your new love in your work side. Okay, so yeah, as it can be as a colleague, or it can be someone but related to work. You may be meeting someone special there. So that is also one of the thing. And yeah, so when it comes to all these things, though you are making a very fiery move where you have lots of you have planned many things to do, where you have many things on your pipeline, but still the King of Swords is giving you that energy to balance your work life, to balance your professional life with your family life, with your personal life again, right? So it's, I think, it's a very good combination where instead of just getting carried away with the work or with something, with anything, it's like, you are at the balance now. You know what to do, when to do, how to do. This is very important, Aries, isn't? So this month is all in all, it's going to give you a smooth balance. Going to give you a balancing energy again, and yeah, of course, lot of career growth, in fact. Yeah, because I have why I'm saying this, because your energy card, right? I hope you're able to say this. Yeah, this thinking woman. Okay, this energy card is about, if you are a male Aryan. Let me talk about male Aryan. If you are a male Aryan, then you will have some lady who is quite intelligent, who is going to support you and guide you. A lady who is intelligent, who knows how to do, what to do, in on the work front. Okay, and so you will be able to get the help from this lady when you actually need the most. So, or otherwise, then if you are a female Aryan again, okay, so this is card for you, actually, female Aryans, where you will be no um, yeah, where you will be wearing that thinking hat, and you are planning everything within your mind, and you want to, you are now trying to, you know how to do and what to do, all these things, you have everything set here. So you will be behaving accordingly, step by step, right? So this is how you are going to behave. So the path is clear, the planning is properly done, and it's all just in your mind. Everything is in your mind now, and it just, you have to move. You are moving forward very well on your career front, isn't? So it's mostly, I am seeing here. Okay, what about your personal life, or what about your love life, or anything? No, about your financial side. Okay, these cards may also say ki, yes, the financially, you are going to be really good, because new opportunities are coming up your way. So and nothing to be much being to be alert about this, about the financial front. But yeah, even at the love side also, on the personal life also, again, what I am seeing is a good thing. I mean, you will maintain that balance, you will maintain that emotional stability when it comes to love life as well, and that is going to guide you properly. Sorry, I have a sore throat today. So that's going to guide you properly, help you, and not from not falling down fully, or help you not going beyond your beyond someone's expectations also, right? So it's like a balanced energy here, what I'm sensing here is, um, let me see your message of the universe. Here it is. Okay, and what's the message is, let me read this for you. I surrender to a power greater than me. As in, yeah, there is always a superpower. If you know, if you all believe, I strongly believe this. Yes, there is a superpower, and I simply surrender myself to the superpower every day, every time, every moment. So why not you try this thing? It's gonna help a lot. It actually reduces our anxiety, because I've seen Aries coming up with complaining mostly about the anxiety, anxiousness in them. So if you try this trick at least for a week, give a try and see. It will definitely work out. Okay, Aries. So I'll see you again in the next month. Till then, subscribe my channel and like this video, and try to share with your friends and relatives, whoever you can, you find them, they will be interested in this. If you want to look for something else, some of the predictions, just comment under this video. I'll see you again. next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.